Now that we're done with our lower guards, we can move on to our clipper over comb method. When using clipper over comb, you want to make sure the hair is a little bit damp so it's easier to grab the hair with the comb. Also, when I'm cutting horizontally, I'm debulking, and when I'm cutting vertically, I'm blending. Moving on to my 3 guard all the way open, we're going to continue to debulk and flick out as much as we can. As you can see here, I'm going vertically with my cutting blade and then horizontally. Moving on to the C cup, we're using our Anise T outliners and we're starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch. You always want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the trimmer, because if not, then it won't cut the hair properly. We're also going to line up his vertical bars and keep them as natural as possible. Now we're lining up the right side of his head. We're going to move on to our Anise T outliners and we're making sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. Now that we're done with the fading and lining him up, we can move on to the top and create our first guideline through the middle, working our way to the sides. You always want to make sure the hair is nice and damp so you can get the true length of the hair follicles. Like clipper over comb, you're grabbing the hair with the comb, feeding it into your fingers, and then cutting it with your shears. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're gonna make them as crispy as possible. But before we use the razor, we always apply some shave gel and then also stretch the skin as much as possible while keeping the blade at a 45-degree angle.